Hello, hello. I've got an unboxing for you of a 3D pen. Now, I got this as a deal. I always look for deals on Amazon. And one of the things I was doing, I always look for filament deals for my 3D printer. I put in 1.75 mm, PLA, ABS, filament, whatever. And, I see what comes up. Search it, low to high and all that. And this popped up the other day for $9.99. Now, I'm pretty sure it was a pricing mistake. I really am. But for that price, I grabbed it and to see what happened. And, well, it went through. I was charged and it went through. It's from AIO Robotics, but it's actually rebranded. The pen is actually from a company called MKOEM. Now, this pen, again, I paid $9.99 for it, but it's actually $59.99 on Amazon right now. It's AIO Robotics Premium 3D Printing Pen for 3D Modeling Education, PLA Filament Support, Bright OLED Display. Now, I'm curious about this because it says it can do PLA only, but I went to the MoChem, whatever it is, website, and according to them, it does both. It can do PLA and ABS, so I'm not sure. I might be a little bit confused here. Now, here's the pen, and first thing I have to say is it's heavy. It's a very nice quality pen. It's actually metal. On the outside barrel is actually metal, and it's fairly heavy. See, these are the other ones. This is my other one from 3 Design. I like these ones because they're small and all that. But this one here is a similar size. Thin wise, it's a more of a triangular shape to it. But yeah, on the back we have power, and then we have where the filament comes in. And it's powered by USB, which I really like. I don't like having to be stuck with a cord because you can use a battery pack with these. But we have our buttons here, in and out, which feeds the filament in, of course. Then we have speed, and then we have temp. We have the little MKOEM logo there, as it were. But again, it's from a company called AIO Robotics on Amazon. But here's our tip here. And overall, like this pen here, compared to this one, it's night and day. It really is. This is an all plastic housing, and it has this slider switch on it, which it kind of works. After a while you get used to it and all that. But I think I like the speed buttons better because as you're working, you have your in and out here and all that. But then you just click it real quick with the speed. But let's do this real quick. Now let me finish unboxing it, I guess. To see what else is included in the box, which we have. They give me a white filament, PLA, and they have a light baby blue almost filament. Looks like a translucent, actually. Here is the user guide. Again, it's MKOEM, MoChem, whatever. There's no other AIO Robotics branding on this except for that, except for the label they stuck on the outside. And it is USB. Again, like I said, it's just standard USB wall wart you would use. So you can use actually any, like one that comes with your phone or something like that for power for these. Which, again, I really like it because you can use a power supply with them, an external battery. But let's try this here. I already have my other one plugged in. So let's see here. Oh, there we go. We got the MKOM logo, and it says PLA 180. Let's see if I can go change this higher. 84, 85. Temp's coming up slowly but surely. 190. Oh, okay, I can hold. Oh, that's it. Yep. Apparently this version can only do PLA. It goes up to 195 only. Again, on the website, the MoChem website, it says it can go a lot higher than that. It can use ABS or PLA. I'm guessing this is a different version of the one that they have. Now it's only 27 degrees, so I'm really probably not going to be able to show you anything here. It's going to take a while. I'm going to grab some filament here. Pretty sure this is PLA. Guess we'll find out, huh? But grab this in here and we go. Okay, maybe I guess it has to heat up before it'll actually feed it in. Because I don't hear a motor running or anything. speed, 3, 4, 5, back to 1, 5. Yeah, I don't feel or hear a motor running. Long click, long click. Maybe it has to get up to temp before it works here. How to adjust print suite. Pause printing, long press, basic operation. Okay, it does say after the temperature panel reaches 180, then you can do it. So, well, actually, we're pretty close. 167.71. So let's see here. Yep, the tip is getting nice and warm. Looks like there's already some filament in there. It's oozing out. It's probably a cleaning filament, most likely. Oh, there it goes. Oh, the other noise you hear in the background is my printer. Sorry. But here, let's do this. Double click it and it goes. Oops. Let's get that back in there. Sorry. There it goes. It's feeding in. Now let me grab this. Yeah, it's about as loud as this pen. And that's feeding in. This is the extra stuff here. Give it a second. We'll get the maybe more than a second. Is it going in? Yeah, it's going in. There it goes. There we go. Now this is the stuff that was already in there, of course. And there's my blue coming out now. I guess I should have grabbed a different color notepad. But, as you can see, it does work. And that's the speed. You can pause it by just pressing the in button once. And then double click it. And you can go again. Stop. Oops. Now to use it, you can just do this too and hold it in. And as soon as you let go, the filament stops coming out. Of course, we can slow down the speed. And you can slow down the speed as you're doing it, as it's running. Yes, it's hot. Shouldn't have did that. But, yeah, this is a neat pen, actually. I'm very much impressed with the quality. Now, longevity, I'm not sure. I've had several of these pens, actually. So, I'm not sure how long it'll last. I guess we'll find out. But, you know, $10 I paid for it. I guess I'm not out too much. But it does work well. I mean, you know, similar to my other 3D pens. And it is comfortable to use. It's fairly small. I know there are other 3D pens out there that are really big and fat, and they're kind of hard to use. This one actually, this one, I mean, it gets fairly hot up the top, but the rest of the pen doesn't, like here. I don't feel any heat at all. So it's actually not bad to use. Let's see if we do something here. Anyway, this is it here. AIO Robotics, MOKEM, M-K-O-E-M, 3D pen. And even at $60, I believe, from what I've seen so far of this, build quality-wise, it is really nice. I'm impressed with it overall. It's a nice heavy pen, but it's not too heavy, you know, that you're going to be strained from using it and all that. But, alright, well, that's it. Thanks a lot.